Now let's look at a very interesting topic of how to do titling inside a video. So this video has few scenes in it. The first scene is showing this restaurant, then it shows the golf course, and then it shows the pond. So I want the correct title to come as the video reaches that particular point. So I've written the titles restaurant, golf course, pond. Right now they are separate, and right now we have not put any animation, so all the three titles are seen. But in real life only one of them will be seen depending on which part of the video is playing. Okay, now we will see the synchronization between the video and the titles later, but first we have to animate the titles because at some point they have to come in, at some point they have to go. So when I show the PPT, what I want is there should be no title, and just after a couple of seconds the restaurant should come, and then when it moves, the next one and the next one. So let's put appear animation for all of them. So go to animations, add animation, appear. Now what is happening here? Right now on one click everything is going to come. That's not what we want. So each one of them should have a separate click or separate event. So right now I'm saying start on click. Now what happens? Let's run the PPT. First click outside, by the way. Click on the video is pause. Restaurant, golf course, pond. Okay. But now what I want happening is when the golf course text is coming, restaurant text should disappear, isn't it? So the restaurant text also needs a disappear animation. So I'm going to add disappear. And when pond comes, golf course has to disappear. So this one also needs. So again, animation, add animation. I'm adding disappear animation to golf course as well. So far so good. Now let's see what happens. Again, nothing. First click, restaurant comes, then golf course comes, then pond comes, and then restaurant goes away, then golf course goes away. No, that's not what we wanted. And why is that happening? Because on this click, on this first click, the word restaurant is coming. That's okay. On the second click, the word golf course is coming, right? Which is also okay. But at that point in the same click or the same event, restaurant should disappear. So I'll just arrange it here and I will tell this guy start with previous. And the same thing now will happen for this also. So when pond is coming, golf course will disappear. Let's see. Nothing, right? First click restaurant, second click golf course, restaurant gone, and third pond, previous one gone. Now why am I doing all these complex things and video is not linked to it? Relax. Everything will fall into place step by step. Now what is the idea? The idea is whenever the video is playing, this is going to be superimposed on top of it. Video is dark, this is also dark. So let's first bring these guys with some lighter color so we can see it better. So I'm going to shape format text and let's put some light text. That will look good on the video. Now let's bring them on to the video. And as I said, all of them are never going to be seen together. So let's superimpose them. So I'm going to put these three. I'll actually select all three. And the better way to do it is what? Align, top. So they all got superimposed. Right now it looks confusing, but never mind. Now just to show what is happening, I'm going to run it again. Now notice I am clicking restaurant. And now I will have to wait till it reaches the green part. And then I click exactly perfect moment, then golf course will come, and then another perfect moment I'll have to wait, and then pond will come. Sometimes I may click correctly, sometimes I may not click correctly. Although it is technically possible, it's not a good idea. Another thing which happened is that didn't look very nice. So let's put something which has high contrast. So what I'm going to do now is go to shape format again, go to text fill white, and let's put a text outline which is black. So this should look much better than before. But even now I am controlling it, which is not what I want to. The video should control it. Wouldn't that be nice? Let's decide that this part is where something is happening. The restaurant is being shown. So this point in video at whatever frames, I want to mark it, and that is called playback add bookmark, right? The yellow thing comes there, never mind. Now I just continue further, and at some point of time the entire golf course is going to be shown. At that point I put one more bookmark, and let's put one more when the pond is nicely visible. Yeah, this is good place. So basically I have 3 bookmarks. Now we want to put 2 and 2 together. So now notice what is happening. This text box is going to appear when I click. When is the second one going to appear? When I click. When is the third one going to appear? When I click. I don't want to click now. I want to say when the video reaches this bookmark, run this guy. When it reaches the second bookmark, run this one, and so on. How do we do that? So this is the animation. Double click on it, and then it will say, okay, how does this animation get triggered? So go to timing and say triggers, and you will see this as the default, but you can now say on the play of bookmark 1. This is superb. Same, now notice it no longer stays here because it has already got its trigger. It doesn't need to be in the standard animation sequence. I'll do the same thing here. Select this one, trigger, and what is the trigger here? Triggers effect on play of bookmark 2, and then last one. Oh, this one also, right? So you can multi-select as well, no problem. Right now I forgot, so I'm doing it one by one. So this one is also 2, and let's select both of these guys, and again double click will not work here. Right click, effect options, timing, and triggers, effect off, and we are done. Sounds very difficult, but look at the result. Now I am not doing anything. These are my hands, and it is going to automatically manage itself. And now when the greens are in the view, it is going to change with proper animation to golf course. Now remember, this trigger can be used for any other animation for any other object as well. So that brings humongous amount of power in our hands. And that's why I'm saying just inserting a video is not even beginning to unravel the secrets of this powerful stuff. If you found this useful and valuable, please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel because I am in the process of creating lots of useful content like this, and click the bell icon because nowadays I'm posting videos very frequently, so you will know about content as soon as it is published. But most important, everyone says like, share, subscribe. Okay man, I'm more worried about sharing with others who will benefit from this, because the more people become efficient, the world becomes a better place. So with that, let's end for today. See you next time. Thank you.